Not showing in File Manager Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Telegram downloads not showing in File Manager on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to download something from Telegram, and then the problem here is that whenever you downloaded them, that particular file is not showing up in the File Manager on Android. That only happens if we've not downloaded them properly. If we only save them, it will get saved inside the Telegram app itself, not download to your device. To download the particular file to your device, like a photo or wallpaper or zip files or anything like that, tap the three dots option here, then tap on save to downloads. So only when you tap on save to downloads, this particular file or any of the other file will get saved to your downloads folder. And to find it, you have to open up the My Files application. Now you can go to internal storage, then go to downloads. Now you can find the Telegram folder there. Tap on the Telegram folder, and then now you'll be able to go ahead and then locate it and then do whatever with it. So this not really like not showing, it's just that we haven't downloaded them properly, so you have to make sure to download it properly. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.